Yeah, hey guys, here's some toads. Just check out some toads. Yeah. Look at this toad.
Oh. Wait.
Where is it going? Come over here.
What?
Oh, I did skipping.
No, no. Wait. What?
Stop.
Shark puppet. Shark puppet. What the?
Come here. Come here, little
Shark puppet. Shark puppet.
Oh,
My brother and me just seriously found those. So don't kill them. Okay?
I like cheese. I don't want to kill him. Oh, get over here.
Yeah, but some sharks like to eat them.
No. Did you know these guys are poisonous? If I eat them, I will die.
Unless
Go.
you're
Oh,
big
get him.
Okay. Oh, I got. Okay.
Get over here, you freaking fat toad.
Don't call them fat. They have feelings, shark puppet.
Where's the big one? Get over here, big boy.
He's not.
Oh, the big boy's sleeping. Leave him. Get over here.
Come on. God. Be nice to the toads.
I am being nice.
Oh no, they're running away.
He's
They're
being crazy.
running
Jesus Christ. Where is he going? Wait, we're gonna troll Timmy. Come over here. Come here.
Hey Timmy, what good do you got?
Go ahead. He's sleeping, you idiot. He was sleeping. I'm back to bed. Oh, what is about move? What the? Get out of here, boy. Oh,
Wait a minute.
where'd he go? He's escaping. Oh no, the toad. I got the toad. Stop chirping, you freaking freak toad.
It's a boy shark puppet.
No. You stay right here. No. Stop moving. Put him back. He's done. Stop chirping. Shut up.
I already know who's who.
That was the end of the video, guys. So bye.
See you guys. Hope you liked the video.